Today we're going to be taking a look at a problem, and it's number 4 on the using equations in geometry word problem sheet. As you can see here, we have a nice word problem, and the word problem states two angles are supplementary. If one angle is 36 degrees less than twice of the other angle, find the two angles. So what we have here, the first sentence states itself, two angles are supplementary. This gives us an equation in itself. So if two angles and both of them are supplementary, well, supplementary angles meaning that two angles add up to 180. You can put in as x as variables that we don't know because these are two mysterious angles, plus y equals 180 because it's supplementary. 180. Let me just, yeah. So since they equal 180, this also has to equal 180 because of these two angles as well. So it says if one angle, so we have one angle here, is 36 degrees, and is a good vocabulary word because it states is because is equal to. So is means equal to in this case. So one angle, let's list one angle as y in this case, and this angle here is less than twice of the other angle. So 36 degrees specifically is less. So this one angle is 36 degrees less than twice of the other angle. So we can kind of substitute this into an expression here. So if it's less than twice of the other angle, that means it's like we're using x because it's the other angle. So instead now we're going to just use x, obviously. So we're going to put in x. You can't see that. Let me just do a different color. So we have twice of the other angle, so we can do 2x because it's twice of the other angle. 2x, and then less than, so it's 36. So 36 degrees here. We don't have to put that in, but I'll put that in just to show. And since y is equivalent to this is our expression here. But now we have another expression here, which is for the supplementary expression, this expression right here. Now, both of these expressions really show how much both angles are equivalent to. So x here, we don't know what x is, but we know what y is because it says if one angle is 36 degrees less. But we don't know what y is as a whole number, as a whole number that it's solid. And so we know y as an expression. So we'll just substitute y as an expression into this. So our new expression here will be x plus 2x, because we're substituting y using this expression that I've come up with here. X plus 2x minus 36, right? X plus 2x minus 36 equals 180, since we're still carrying over this expression, but just adding this one to it as well, to y. So equals 180. Now, that tells us a lot about the situation that we've come up with here. And here we can just continue solving this expression. So x plus 2x is obviously 3x minus 36, sorry. So 36 equals 180. So now we can just do some basic math here. And since it's still subtract, we just add 36 to both sides. So we'll just cancel it out here. Right, and then from this, 180 plus 36 equals 216. Okay, then we just do a simple math and we just put in x, because we're dividing 3 from both sides, so we'll just put 3 and we'll just cancel it out. Then divide 3 here, and x will equal 72. So now that we've got what x is, let's head back to our original problem that we have here. So what is x specifically? X is now considered a whole number, a solid number that we have an answer to, which is 72. So let's plug that into our equation here. So we have 72 plus y equals 180. Now, we still don't know what y is specifically because we found out what x is instead. So what we do now is just some solving the equation. So 72 from both sides, we'll just cross that out. So then we'll do 180. Oh, I forgot to put a 0 here. Minus 72. So we'll have y equals, so 180 minus 72 is equivalent to 108. 108. Okay, so now that we have all of our problems here going, we have 108 now. We've solved for y, and we know what y is. It's 108, and we know what x is, which is 72. So both of them are supplementary. Now, just to make sure we know this problem is right, and they both have to add up to 180, as stated here. So I'm going to pick a nice color here to show you. So we have 108 and we have 72. So now let's substitute x, which is 72, and then substitute y, which is plus 108, equals, so 2 plus 8 is obviously 10. Carry the 1 plus 7 is 8, and then you have 8 again. 8 plus 0 is 8, so you have 180 is your answer, and that means and so the two angles that we've come up with are also reasonably efficient at this expression because they both combined together make 180. So as we know now, we can put in the answers, which is x equals 72, or 72 degrees itself. We can just put that in, and then we can put in a different color. I'm going to put it in here. We can put in y equals y equals 108. So y equals 108. This is our answer here, 108 degrees. And when both combine together, they both make up a supplementary angle here. So thank you for listening, and hope you enjoyed the Screencastify.